You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Monday, May the 8th, and we have got a great show for you today. Here's what we've got coming up for those of you who are watching live. If you're watching a recap video, these are the other stories that are going to be posted today, so check those out if they interest you. Each day this week, we're going to be talking about stocks that people have suggested me in the comments to look at. We've got some great ones coming up, and more info on that in just a bit. We're going to be talking about Berkshire Hathaway, the Nintendo Switch third-party development, and then finally, we're going to have all my stock buys this morning that I did. We're going to run down all of those. We talked about Friday. I was putting a list together to add to the kids' portfolio, so we bought some this morning, and we're going to review all of those in detail. So let's go ahead and let's get started here. One of the things that we're looking for from Nintendo for the Nintendo Switch is the third-party developers getting on board, and it probably won't be till E3 that we really see this, what kind of support they're giving, but right now we're kind of getting a little taste of it, and that's with NBA 2K18 is releasing at the same time for the Nintendo Switch as it is on PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. So I'll pull up this article here from Nintendo Life, and it details what you're getting with NBA 2K18, the Shaquille O'Neal Special Edition, which is, it's very strange to have the top end special editions launching for the Nintendo Switch, and it includes some memorabilia, trading cards, exclusive stickers, some virtual currency, stuff like that. So this is kind of a big deal. It's coming out for the Nintendo. Like I said, it kind of gives you a little taste of the third party support. Now, once this game comes out, we really need to see the performance of it versus the PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. Certainly, once it comes out, I think it was September, I'll link the article here, we really need to see what sites like IGN and those that review them are saying. I want to see the performance of it. I said I wanted to see what Skyrim does on the system. We really need to understand what this Switch is capable of to see what kind of third-party support is there. Now, another article over at Nintendo Life is a good one to read, and they're both, I'm going to link both of them down in the description, is Epic talking about their relationship with Nintendo and bringing the Unreal Engine 4 to Switch. From the sounds of this article, it's a very positive for the Nintendo Switch. And they talk about how it was kind of always bad timing to support Nintendo, to work with Nintendo, and they always wanted to really support Nintendo with this, and they finally are now. One of the things they said, they ran a user-made Unreal Engine 4 game to illustrate the power of the engine on the Nintendo Switch, and it ran at 720p, but it could be optimized to run at 1080p. And here is the demo. I'm just going to play a real quick snippet of this and kind of fast forward it through the different parts. It looks, absolutely gorgeous, like most Unreal things do. So basically they're saying that the tools are there for the Switch, and if people utilize them, you'll get some great visuals out of it and great content. So to me, that is very positive. I would love to see people that use this engine start porting their games over so we can get to see what they are as a handheld. I really want to see Friday the 13th ported over to the Nintendo Switch. That's running on the Unreal Engine. That's a game we're looking forward to. We'll do another follow-up video on that, but I'd like to see how a quick port like that, and that company could grab a little bit of market out there from, getting a mature rated game like that out on Nintendo Switch. That'd be pretty interesting, if you ask me. But What do you think of third-party support for the Nintendo Switch as it stands now? It's starting to trickle out. Is this going to boost the Nintendo Switch sales? Is it going to boost the sales of the third party that kind of abandoned Nintendo? I'm talking Activision, people like that. Um, Let me know what you think in the comments below. Third party, are they coming to Nintendo Switch? That's going to be it for today's show. Um, we are live Monday through Friday, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. You can see a link in the description below. We're live on Twitch. Come check us out and chat with us live during the show. You can tweet us at InvestorXP or shoot us an email. It's mail@investorxp.com. Or you can do what a lot of you have been doing. Message me directly on YouTube. Put comments in the videos. I've gotten some really great suggestions for stocks, and I'm going to be featuring a lot of those on the show this week. Let you know what I think. So, really happy with all the people that have subscribed recently and all the comments that they're putting out there. Please continue with those. If you are a seasoned investor, let me know your opinion, no matter what your strategy is, good or bad. The more opinions, the better. If you're a gamer who's stumbling upon the channel, who's thinking about getting investing, check out the comments, what people think, so you can start to familiarize yourself with the different strategies people use. Thank you very much for watching. Give us a sub and a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. We really want to build this channel in a community of people that we can get more people involved in investing and making money. So thank you very much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.